Hi there, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you the integration in between Google Sheet and Meta Ads API or Meta Marketing API. Maybe you are running Meta Ads campaign and now it is very important for you to get all Meta Ads campaign data in the Google Sheet so that you can analyze this data and you can visualize this data or you can use this data for different purposes. So what I did, I wrote Google App script and I integrated Meta Ads API in the script so that this Google Sheet can pull Meta Ads data every day or it can pull the data for every 30 minutes gap. So what I did, I created a menu button here and I will click on here, get today data, so that I want to show you the demo. That's why I click on this button manually. Now script will start execution and it will pull all the data. Now you can see here is the data. Okay, it is working and I am getting all the data. So which all resource you can get via Meta Ads API. I am scrolling right side so that you can see everything. So date start and date stop, it is today 21st September. Then you can get account name, account ID, campaign name. This is the campaign ID. Then ad set name, ad set ID, ad name, ad ID, how much you spend, CPM, clicks, unique clicks, CPC, CPP, CTR, conversion rate ranking. So I am scrolling it slowly so that you can read well. Okay, I reached at last. Now my script execution is finished. Now you can see data is like this. Okay, up to 48 rows I got for today's data. Okay, that's all in this video. In next video, I am going to cover in depth how to collect API credential from your Meta Ads account and how to integrate Meta Ads API in the Google Sheet, and you can build this kind of system. Anyway, if you need this Google Sheet, just comment below, or if you need any customized Google Sheet, feel free to send me WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number is now given in the description box. I think next video is going to be very interesting, so please subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. See you again. Bye bye.